If you want to win, if you want to scale in 2026, you don't need more ideas. All you need is a proven system, a winning system. Business winning system for 2026. A system is simply this: a repeatable way to get predictable results. Let me say this again. It's a repeatable way to get predictable results. Without a system, you work harder, not smarter. You stay busy, but don't build momentum. Everything depends on you, but growth stalls. But with a winning system, your business becomes consistent. Your time becomes protected. Your vision becomes scalable. And not only that, there's that faith principle behind it as well. I will mention these two principles that you probably heard before, but I'm just simply saying it in a different way. The first one is that God is a God of order. Let me say this again. God is a God of order. And the second one is that creation itself, it's a system. Did you hear that? Creation in itself, it's a system. Now, I'm sure that you're asking yourself why systems matter in 2026. Let's talk about it. Hello, family. Jonathan here, and this is just a quick reminder. Listen, if you have not yet grabbed a copy of my business book, The One Shoe Wonder, well, this is your moment. This book is a powerful guide to help you build your brand from the ground up. Even if you're starting small with just one idea, one product, or one service. Inside, I share the same mindset, the same strategies, the same business principles that helped me build and launch my own brand in Unity Square. So go right now on Amazon and get your copy of The One Shoe Wonder, and make sure to leave us a beautiful review. Listen, now it's your time to start turning your passion into purpose and your purpose into profit. The link is in the description. Bye for now. "2026 will not reward hustle. It will reward structure." Do you believe that? Your talent can open doors for you, but it is your anointing, your preparation that will bring opportunities. I will take this a step further. They say that success is when opportunity meets preparation. If the opportunity shows up and you're not prepared, see, someone that is not as talented as you may be more prepared than you, and that person may be rewarded with the opportunity. So your talent will always open doors for you for sure, but it's your preparation, your discipline, your consistency, and your anointing that will bring opportunities your way. You see, systems sustain success. And if everything in your business lives in your head, you don't own a business, my friend. You own a job. Hi, Jonathan here with Immunity Footwear. And today, I want to introduce to you one of the most elegant pieces in our collection, the burgundy patina loafer. From the moment you slip it on, you can feel the craftsmanship. Each pair is hand finished in a rich burgundy patina, giving you depth, character, and a look that speaks before you do. The design is sleek, timeless, and built for the gentleman who values both sophistication and comfort. And with our 48 hours production rush, your loafers are crafted and shipped in as little as 7 business days. No shortcut, no compromise. Whether you're dressing up for a big moment or elevating your everyday style, this loafer completes the look with ease, confidence, and undeniable elegance. If you're ready to experience footwear that delivers luxury from the ground up, tap the link below and order your burgundy patina loafer today. Now I'm going to give you 5 core systems that every winning business needs. Are you ready? Let's go. Number 1, a clear offer. People should understand what you do, who it is for, and why it matters. If it's not clear enough, then it's confusing. Within seconds, that confusion will kill the conversion. Number 2, a lead and audience system. If you're not consistently attracting new people, growth is simply impossible. Number 3, a sales system. Sales should not depend on mood or motivation. There must be a clear path to purchase, consistent follow-up, and simple next steps. Sales is simply service when done with integrity. Number 4, a delivery system. How you deliver your service, your product, and your experience matters. Listen to this. Excellence builds trust, but consistency builds reputation. You need to have a good reputation, which will be your personal brand. Number 5, a review and improvement system. Please make a note of this. What gets measured gets improved. Champions review all the time, over and over. But amateurs, they repeat mistakes all the time. Hey family, quick break. Listen, if this episode is adding value to your life, I need you to pause, take a quick second, and hit the subscribe button, will you? And that's how you can support us, help us grow, and keep this life-changing content coming your way. Every click, every share, every comment helps us reach more people who need this message. So go ahead and subscribe now to Jonathan Laurince, and let's keep walking the self-improvement and wealth-building journey together. Because here, we're not just chasing success, we're building purpose with profit. So I thank you in advance. Let's go back to the show. Now, let me share this concept with you. It is very important. Pay attention to this. Faith plus strategy equals sustainability. This will be your mindset shift for today. Prayers invite God into your vision, but systems prepare you to steward the provision that God will send to you. It says that God never gives a vision without bringing forth provision. Vision and provision. You need to prepare yourself. You need to have a system in place to steward the provision that you prayed for. Do you understand? If you've been praying for overflow, your system must be able to handle increase. Now, I need you to ask yourself these questions about your business. The first one, can my business survive growth? The second one, can my business function without me being everywhere? And the third, can my business scale without breaking? If not, then the answer isn't more faith. It's better systems. Let's put better systems into our businesses if you want to scale in 2026. Now, I know these questions can be very daunting, but it is very important to ask ourselves these uncomfortable questions so we can review and filter our businesses in order to improve. Hi, everyone. Jonathan Laurince from Unity Footwear. Today, I'm going to show you one of the most unique and sophisticated shoes in our collection. I present to you the whole cut in denim patina. This shoe is crafted from one single piece of leather, giving it a clean, seamless, and luxury look. The denim patina finish brings a modern, stylish edge that pairs effortlessly with suits, jeans, and everything in between. Flip it over, and you'll see the red letter sole and bold touch of elegance that sets this shoe apart the moment you step forward. Built on the Zurigo rounded last, it gives you that classic English silhouette with all day comfort. And thanks to our 48 hours rush service, these will be crafted and delivered to you within 7 business days. If you're ready to elevate your footwear game with something truly distinctive, hit the link below and order your whole cut in denim patina today. Now, let me leave you with some practical actions, especially for my listeners, that will help you to implement the principles that we studied today. Are you ready? As you close 2025 and prepare for 2026, I want you to identify one area of your business that feels chaotic. Document the steps, simplify the process. Remember that systems don't restrict creativity, they protect creativity. Hey guys, just a quick announcement. Listen, if you've been dreaming of building your own brand, but you don't even know where to start, I've got exactly what you need. My brand new course, The One True Wonder, is a step-by-step guide to building a profitable brand with just one product, one service, and one idea. Whether you're an artist, a creator, or an entrepreneur, this course will show you exactly how to turn your idea into impact and income. So don't wait. Go to kajabi.com and get instant access now. Start building your dream brand from the ground up today. The link is in the description. Hello, family. As we're getting ready to close 2025 and embark into 2026, let me leave you with some thoughts that will, some food for thoughts, rather, that will help you to finish well, finish strong, and start with a new attitude. Let's begin. 2026 is not waiting on a miracle, it's waiting on a decision. 2026 doesn't need a better version of your hustle either. It needs a better structure for your vision. One must appreciate that reflection gives you clarity. Closure, in the other hand, gives you freedom. Faith gives you direction, but strategy gives you focus. Systems give you sustainability. Build systems, my friends. Protect your peace. Scale your wisdom and let God add the increase. Don't wait for January to become disciplined. Don't wait for the new year to become intentional. Don't wait for the new season to become consistent. Start today. Now, I want you to finish 2025 strong with gratitude for what happened, wisdom for what hurt, discipline for what's coming, and boldness with your head up, knowing that you belong. Because the people who will win in the next season are the ones who close the current one with gratitude and clarity. I wish you the best. All right, family, we have reached the end of our episode for today, which is the very last episode of the year 2025. I am so grateful for you. Thank you so much for being with us for the last 13 episodes. And I really I really hope that you have learned a lot from the principles, the topics that we have discussed and all. And we have so many greater things coming for the year 2026. I want you to stay encouraged, empowered, and get ready for what God's going to do. And whatever plan that you have, stuff that you're working on, the book that you're writing, the business you want want to start, I want to be there to help you to become the best version of yourself, the 2.0 version of yourself. And I really hope that my show, the Laurince Podcast, has been helpful and will continue to be helpful for you toward the next year. Now, if this episode helped you to refocus and encourage you, I want you to do 4 things for me. Like this episode, put in the comment section, what are you choosing to complete before 2026? Share this episode with someone who's preparing for a strong new year. Subscribe for more inspiring and empowering videos like this one, which will help you to grow in life, help you to build your business, and also help you with your self-improvement. Until next time, stay focused, stay grateful, and make sure to finish this year strong, fired up for the next year, and stay locked in. All right. Happy holidays, and God bless you all.